Reading Pioneers is proud to present Hi Clouds, written by Carol Greene, illustrated by Gene Sharp. Hi Clouds. Hi Fat Cloud. Hi Thin Cloud. Hi White Cloud. Hi Gray Cloud. Oh, oh, don't rain, Cloud. Look, a cloud dog. A cloud fish. A cloud frog. Oh, a cloud sheep. Many sheep asleep. Wow! A cloud dragon. A cloud-covered wagon. Cloud castle. Cloud tree. Cloud you. Cloud me. Oh, oh. Cloud clock. Bye, clouds. Word list. A. Asleep. Bye. Castle. Clock. Clouds. Covered. Dog. Don't. Dragon. Fat. Fish. Frog. Gray. High. Look. Many. Me. Oh. Rain. Sheep. Thin. Tree. Wagon. White. Wow. You.
Thank you everyone for reading along with us to the story, Hi Clouds! For me as a child, I loved gazing into the clouds and trying to use my imagination to make clouds kind of look like different things and take up different shapes. Were you like this growing up? Or are you like this still? I'd like to hear about your stories and your imagination in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this book, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to see more of your favorite childhood stories or more books you may enjoy being uploaded to this channel. Also, click the like button and share it with your friends, family, or even teachers. If you have suggestions for future books you'd like for me to read on this channel, you can privately message me at contact@readingpioneers.com. Until the next upload, here are some other books in our growing library that you may enjoy reading as well. Unfortunately though, that's all the time we have for this video. So, until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.